And just like that, we're probably ruining his day. Even though I'm not a Canadian, I got sent a Canadian phishing email today. And the perks of working in cybersecurity is you can take a look at what they're doing, trying to understand it, and then potentially, hypothetically, annoy them. The page that they link to is just your boilerplate login form. But with a lot of these scamming pages, you can find out a lot about them if you just look under the hood. So by using your very high-tech hacking tools, you can basically just inspect the source code. It is basically just pure HTML with some plain script JavaScript at the end. Taking a closer look at the JavaScript itself, there are basically two things that are pointing out. The first thing being a hard-coded URL and credentials to some service called email.js. I never heard of that myself, but after looking it up, it's basically some JavaScript library that allows you to send emails directly from your code. So this block basically will just send the credentials that are being entered by the victim and sends them to their inbox. I don't know how email.js handles it, but it's probably going to the attacker. And if this request is actually successful, so if the response is okay, they throw an error on purpose, which just says error authenticating reCAPTCHA. So this is probably a thing to just throw the victim off and let him think that something went wrong. But after the alert block pops, you will get redirected to a Grabify link. And for people who don't know, Grabify is basically just a website where you can redirect to an URL and you grab information about them, like IP address, their screen size, their operating system, their browser. They're just fingerprinting you. Also, looking at comments like these, this is a high probability that this entire thing was coded with AI. So to actually annoy the scammer, we just need Python, Vim, and some basic standard libraries. Firing this away. So looking at the output here, it actually works as expected. We're creating a different random emails, j.miller@gmail.com with a random password, and we actually get a response code of 200 back, which is a-okay. Actually sending a lot of fake credentials to him. It's beautiful to see.